If you need to delete a business email on Bluehost, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through the exact steps to remove an email account from your Bluehost dashboard quickly and safely. This is useful if you're closing an old mailbox, cleaning up unused accounts, or simply managing your business email more efficiently. And before we get into it, if this video helps you out, please hit like and subscribe for more simple Bluehost tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, log into your Bluehost account using the email and password linked to your hosting plan. Once you're inside the dashboard, look at the left-hand menu and click Hosting. This takes you to the hosting tools where your email settings are managed. Next, find and click cPanel Email. Bluehost may load a separate email management area, so give it a moment to open if needed. After that, click Email Accounts. This is the section where all of your business email addresses are listed. You may see multiple mailboxes here if you've created more than one email for your domain. Now click Continue. Bluehost will load the full email account management page, and from here, you can view and edit the mailboxes connected to your website. Once the page opens, find the email address you want to delete. Take a moment to make sure you've selected the correct one, especially if you have several similar addresses. When you found it, click Manage next to that email account. This opens the settings for that specific mailbox. Scroll down through the account options until you see the Delete Email Account button. This is the step that permanently removes the mailbox from your Bluehost account, so double check everything before moving forward. When you're ready, click Delete Email Account. Bluehost will then ask you to confirm the deletion. Confirm it, and the email account will be removed. After that, the mailbox will no longer be active, and any messages stored in it may no longer be accessible through Bluehost. So if there's anything important inside, make sure you back it up first before deleting the account. And that's it. You've now deleted a business email on Bluehost. It only takes a few clicks once you know where to look, and now you can manage your email accounts with much more confidence. If this tutorial was helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss another easy tech guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.